We ask everybody not to take a breath at all during this, because he will do it for you.
This from the closing ceremonies of this last summer's Olympics. Give it up. Does anything ignite the soul quite the way that a twirling piece of two pieces of fabric?
Nobody saw that coming.
I feel like I'm in SpongeBob SquarePants.
If that splits into 6, I'm gonna go crazy.
If he doesn't set on fire at the end of this, I'll be wildly disappointed.
Yes! Yes, the majesty, the pageantry!